Sup, Cubs? Welcome to the World Cup finale of 2014. Here, we will be showing you the magisterial plays that happen. Let's get into it. The player has a fast acceleration to get to the ball and sustains a fast, constant velocity to keep the ball. Here, when the player is dribbling, you can see how the ball starts to slow down because of the frictional force grass plays on the ball. This frictional force is known as sliding friction. Sliding friction is the resistance between two objects in contact with each other. When the player traps the ball, it perfectly represents Newton's first law of motion. His foot is the outside force stopping the ball. The soccer ball has inertia, which means a tendency to remain unchanged until it is acted upon by unbalanced forces, such as being kicked. How fast the ball goes is dependent on the mass of the ball and how much force is exerted on the ball. If the player wants it to go faster, he will add more force, and if he wants it to go slower, he will add less force. Here is an example of Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. The ball exerts a force onto the player's head, and the player exerts a force onto the ball in the opposite direction, causing it to fly towards the goal. If we were to show a free body diagram of a player kicking a ball, it would look something like this. There will be an applied force, such as the person kicking the ball, a normal force, such as what the ball is resting on, a frictional force, which is causing the ball to slow down, and a gravitational force, which is pushing the ball down. Thanks for tuning in to the 2014 FIFA World Cup Finals. I'm your host, Nate DeAngelis. Peace out, Cubs.